Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see how to prepare Cajun spiced potato recipe which can be easily prepared at home similar to the Barbeque Nation style. This recipe is made with baby potatoes. It is served as starter or appetizer with crispy and crunchy texture along with spicy or tangy sauce. Let's see how to prepare them. Take 5 to 6 baby potatoes, wash thoroughly and take them in a pressure cooker with little water. Now close the lid. Cook for 2 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prepare dressing. Take half cup of mayonnaise in a bowl. To it add chili flakes 1/4 teaspoon, onion powder half teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon, oregano half teaspoon, paprika half teaspoon, dry parsley 1/4 teaspoon, dry basil leaves 1/4 teaspoon, white pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, chili powder 1/4 teaspoon and mix everything well with a spoon. In another bowl, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, few chili flakes around 1/4 teaspoon, Italian seasoning 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Mix with little water at a time to make a paste. The paste should not be runny or too thick. You can see the consistency in the video. Now here are the cooked potatoes. They should be just tender and not overcooked. Now take each potato as shown in the video with the help of palm. Just press them slightly. Repeat the same with rest of the potatoes. Here, I have prepared all of them. Now, dip them in the prepared slurry. The paste should coat the potatoes very well. Heat oil for deep fry and gently drop the potatoes dipped in the slurry slowly in the oil. Now, with the help of a spoon or a fork, separate the potatoes. Now, turn them and cook them on both the sides. Once they slightly change in color to light golden brown color, take them out onto a paper plate. Now take the potatoes onto a serving plate. Spread the prepared Cajun sauce onto the potatoes. Garnish with some coriander leaves, and that's it. Restaurant style crispy and creamy Cajun spiced potatoes are ready to serve. This can be made as an appetizer for small parties. They are crispy outside and creamy dressing makes it soft and melts in mouth with each bite of these potatoes. One will surely fall in love with this recipe. Do try this at home and enjoy with your family members and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!